Have you ever wondered what America looks like, especially from the road? Maybe what people like to do in Kentucky or Montana, or why people say you need a passport to travel to Texas. Get excited, now it's time for you to go on a virtual road trip with 4 of your friends. But here are a few tips for getting started. First step is for you to pick your country that you're from, because each person in the car is from a different country.
Step 2. Get in groups of 5 with people with different countries. My friends that are in my group are Colin from Ireland, Demaria from Spain, Corey from Israel, Val from England, and I will be from Greece. Step 3. Time to look at the map to see where you are going. Each group will be traveling to one of 5 regions spread throughout the country. You will be visiting a historic site and an exciting site in each state, which must also be included in your budget and mileage tracking. So as a group, decide where you are going in each state in your region. Step 4. After the group decides which states they are visiting in their region, each person in the group is responsible for researching one of these states. They will also research the sites the group has chosen to visit for each state. This information will be included in the scrapbook that will be presented to the class at the end of the WebQuest activity. Yet each group member must become familiar with all the states in their region. Step 5. Make sure to track mileage and gas consumption per state. Oh wait, make sure your tank is filled. Looks like you need to get gas. You need to record the average gas price for the state you are filling your car up in, since this will all factor into the budget you will need for the road trip. You will need to do this for every state, every time you fill up, in order to get an accurate account. The amount of gas needed per fill-up will be based on your car's tank and the average miles per gallon it has. While recording each price of gas, how much money you spent, and gallons used, you must also record the amount driven in each state and the whole mileage for the trip.
With your road trip, you must complete your budget.
Step 6. Convert money and mileage to complete your budget. You must become familiar with
your country's currency, since you will need to use this when you are creating your travel budget that you will bring back to your country. You'll be using American currency when you are traveling around in the US, but when you create your budget, you need to be able to change it from American currency into other countries' currency. For instance, the euro. This is a euro that is used in Ireland. The euro is also used in other countries. For example, this is the Spanish euro. Other countries don't use the euro, and this, for example, is Israel.
Another country that does not use the euro is England. They use the pound. You will use the conversion tables to change the American money into your country's currency. Don't forget to convert mileage to kilometers if needed. Step 7. You will create and present your scrapbooks and individual budgets with data and graphs to the class. Now it's time for you to begin your own journey, so just
task portion of the WebQuest to get the assignment, and then proceed to the process for further information. Also listen to the podcast. Be ready to explore America and have fun.